Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about object-oriented exception handling with classes, part of programming in C++ course. Object-oriented exception handling involves using classes to define custom exception types. Custom exception classes can be derived from standard exception classes provided by C++ standard library, such as std exception and std runtime underscore error. The custom exception classes can add additional information about the exception, such as error codes or error messages. Here is an example of object-oriented exception handling with a custom exception class. In this example, the custom exception class divide by zero exception is derived from std runtime error and provides an error message division by zero. The divide function throws an exception of type divide by zero exception if the divisor y is zero. The exception is caught in the catch block in the main function, and its error message is printed to the screen using the what method. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.